Today, I'm sledding on a very snowy day, everybody. So, you will stop. Don't put snow on my sled, please. Thank you. Okay, yes, and this is the real me, IRL. But this is like maybe my only vlog until I get 100 subscribers. Then that's when I'm gonna do a special 100 subscriber special. First ever, or second ever vlog, I guess. First official vlog. This is gonna be slow.
Get out!
Woo! Hey, on a sled. Hey, and you guys want to see it? First person, IRL, not animated. Because I do not know how to animate.
I'm leading.
That's for me.
Let's go.
3, 2, go! 1.
Thanks for crashing.
I was surprised she was up.
Thanks. Oh. Snow! It's snow! Oh, there's snow on my phone. Look. Come! And they crashed into the barrier. Okay guys, bye.